So you're about to buy your first home, but your mind is spinning with questions you don't know the answers to. In this video, I will be diving into common questions that first-time buyers have when purchasing their first home. Hi, I'm Eric Newman. In my 30-plus years working in the housing industry, I've helped thousands of people just like you achieve the dream of home ownership. So first question that we're commonly asked is, how much money do I actually need as a down payment? There's a misconception out there that you need to have 20% or more, and that is just flat out not true. You can literally get into a home with nothing out of pocket, even have your closing costs and entire down payment covered. There's different loan programs and different requirements for each of those programs. Recently, we had our client Brianna with great credit. She had solid income. She just simply didn't have cash for down payment. We got her into a property in less than 30 days with nothing out of her own pocket. So don't wait to buy a home just because you think you don't have enough cash. Home values are still rising, and the same house next year may cost you even more than it would right now. So second question we get a lot is, doesn't it cost more to buy instead of rent? People that are asking this are really concerned about having a higher payment compared to where their rent has been sitting. But rents keep increasing at a record pace. When you're paying rent, you're effectively paying a 100% interest rate and you have zero stake in the equity. With home prices rising, you can get in and lock down your payment now, and that won't change for as long as you're in the home. Rent can change every single year if your landlord decides to raise it. We had some recent clients that were looking at a home for $300,000 now. Just think, if that home appreciated at a 5% annual rate, next year that exact same home will cost $15,000 more. This is a very likely scenario. So if you lock in on home ownership, you also can't be kicked out like you can when you're a renter. The sooner you can lock in your price on the house and your payment, the sooner you can start earning equity as well as the values continue to rise. Another question we get a lot is, what if my credit isn't perfect? Well, everybody starts somewhere. There's several programs that allow lower credit scores, even down in the 500s and 600s, and I may be able to help you improve your credit as well if needed in a matter of days or weeks if you follow the tips that we provide. Our client Jacob had some past credit issues. Other lenders were telling him no, that he wasn't going to be able to buy a house for at least a year. Using our system, we were able to help him raise his score by 40 points in 7 days, and he closed on a new home 30 days later. Now, the sooner you can buy a home and have the growth factor of home equity plus the privilege of home ownership, the better off you're going to be. Be sure to subscribe to my channel for more homeowner tips, and let's schedule a chat in my calendar to discuss your home ownership goals and how to get you into your dream home. I will also link my website down below in the description. We'll see you there.